How to apply for a PNC Core Visa credit card. This card is a great choice if you want a low interest only balance transfers and purchases. I'll walk you through the simple steps to apply for the PNC Core Visa credit card. Let's dive in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official PNC Bank website at pnc.com. Once on the home page, hover over to the Credit Cards tab. Scroll through the list of available credit card until you find the PNC Core Visa credit card. Click on the card to view its details, including its benefit, APR rates, and any promotional offers. Make sure to review the card's features to ensure it fits your financial needs. Once you are ready to proceed, click on the Apply Now button. This will take you to the application from where you will need to provide some personal and financial information. Enter your personal information including your full name, address, social security number, and date of birth. You'll also need to provide details prior to employment, income, and any existing financial obligations. Make sure all the information is accurate as it will be used to determine your eligibility for the card. Before submitting your application, carefully review the terms and conditions of the PNC Core Visa credit card. This includes understanding the APR, any balance transfer fees, and reward details. Ensure you are comfortable with the terms before proceeding. Once you have filled in all the required fields and reviewed the terms, click Submit to send your application. PNC Bank will process your application and you will typically receive a decision within a few minutes. If you don't receive an immediate decision, you can check your application status by visiting the PNC Bank website or calling the customer service number. Have your application reference number handy for quicker assistance. If approved, your PNC Core Visa credit card will be mailed to you. Once it arrives, follow the instructions to activate your card either online or by calling the activation number provided. And that's how you can apply for the PNC Core Visa credit card. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.